Hello guys, this is Desmond More aka ORNFX and welcome to this particular chapter on my YouTube channel where I'll be talking about how to trade the supply and demand or resistance and support levels as a pro in Forex trading. Now, we are very familiar for those of you who aren't really new to the market to Forex trading. We are actually familiar with the fact that you're supposed to buy at a demand level and then you're supposed to sell at a supply level. That is, you're supposed to sell at a resistance level and then you're supposed to buy at a support level. Now, well, that being technically correct, but still there are certain things that you need to pay attention to when it comes to trading the supply and demand levels. Now, you don't just buy when price gets to a demand level. Okay, you need to see you need to see some significant market structure at that particular zone before you now say, okay, fine, I'm going long or I'm going short, depending on the area. Okay, so now for this particular pattern, now this is a setup that I sent to the free group on Telegram, and also the VIP signal group where we got. I think we got about over 100 pips on this particular trade, and then I made about $4,000 trading this particular pair yesterday, which was the 4th of August 2022, right there, at around let's say 4:30 each rather. So yeah, so quick one. This is the supply level, okay? So and I had this trend line coming all the way from so sorry guys, let me just take that back. I'm a day trader, okay? So I take my analysis all the way from the 4 hour time frame down to the 15 minutes time frame. All right. So I mark out my key levels on the 4 hour time frame, and then I mark out my current levels on the 1 hour, then I make entries on the 15 minutes time frame. All right, there you see it. So this is a trade I'm currently holding though. So let me just take you guys back to what we did yesterday. Okay, so this is a trend line coming from the 4 hour time frame right here. So the market has been in an uptrend, and then it got to this particular supply level, and then it started to give me a pattern that is showing a market reversal, that is showing a trend reversal, that is, since this has been in an uptrend, is most likely going to reverse at this point and start coming down. So this was what I did. Okay, so this is a double top. Okay, so if you go to the 1 hour time frame, it's gonna give you a double top pattern, not head and shoulders. Okay, so that is it there. Okay, so the market has been coming all the way from this particular support level here. So below this support level, the market has been pushing up, and then it came all the way to this supply level, giving me a trend reversal pattern, which is a double top right there. Then upon seeing that, okay, I knew that, okay, fine. There was a trend line coming right there, so I had like two other conditions to be met. So I had three. So this was a double top pattern forming on the higher time frame, which is a key trend reversal pattern. All right. So and then I had the trend line to be broken. Then I had to go back down to the 15 minutes to look for extra confluence. Okay. So now this is what I saw. Double top on 1 hour time frame. There is a trend line all the way from the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so this is a trend line on the 4 hour time frame. Double top on the 1 hour time frame, and then I saw head and shoulders pattern on the 15 minutes time frame, and that was when I hopped in for the sell. Okay, so I hopped in upon the break of the trend line. All right, so this is it right here. Let me just show you guys better. Let me show you guys better. Sorry. Okay, so now this was the head and shoulders we saw on 1 hour time frame, which this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So this is the sorry, this is the double top rather. So this is the left top, and then this is the right top. Okay, so this is also head and shoulders pattern right here forming. This is the head, this is the shoulder, this is the shoulder. Okay, and that is also a trend reversal pattern. Similar thing, if this were to occur at the support level or the demand level, this will be inverse head and shoulders, which will be the head, shoulder, all right, and then price pushes up. So this was how I was able to make about $4,000 yesterday trading with the ORNFX community in the free Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video. After you subscribed and like the video, leave a comment and then go to the description and you find a link to my free groups. All right, so this was the double top formation 1 hour time frame, head and shoulders pattern 15 minutes time frame, trend line break right here. Okay, then I entered. All right, so upon the break of this trend line, I entered. So how do you know that the candlestick has actually broken? It will break and close. It will break and then close outside of a particular region. That's when you know that a particular zone has been broken. All right, so that is that about that. Let me just take it over again. Trend line from the 4 hour time frame. All right, double top on the 1 hour time frame, and then head and shoulders pattern on the 15 minutes time frame. Break of the trend line, then I enter. So I had three conditions generally. I had three conditions. I had the double top on the 1 hour time frame. I had the head and shoulders 15 minutes time frame, and then I entered upon the break of the trend line. That was when I entered. All right, so and we were able to make over 100 pips on this particular setup. All right, so that was that about yesterday, and it was amazing. So you too can also try this method, and if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and then leave a comment on what you love to see next time. Okay, I'm here to teach you guys, and don't forget to come to my Telegram community where I send free signals and then I send setups like this. We break down setup like this to the members, and then you guys can also make money trading the real market. All right, guys, leave a like for me, and I'd like to see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.